SexyCam video 132. We can cycle through the different circumscribe modes and then press the dot key to snap back to the default. Let's go over the code for that. We have a default circumscribe mode right here in our constants for camera H, the high-level camera, one abstraction removed from VP1. And when we set up the camera H, we're going to set the default camera scribing mode right here. The behavior doesn't change because the default was inscribe, and we just hard-coded inscribe here previously. SexyCam pad code is going to handle a number pad value, but not actually the numbers, the special characters. If it is a string, we're going to throw an error. If it's not within the valid range for the number pad keys we want to support, we're going to throw an error. And specifically, if it is 110, that's the decimal point, and when we press that decimal point, we want to use the default circumscribe mode for the camera and set the dirty flag so that we can see the change. Inside of our down for the editor, the down key for the editor, we have this new thing called, oh my god, it's the numpad, but not a number. And we're going to get the pad code if we are in the valid range. If we're in the valid range, we'll set the pad code right here by taking the key code. And then later down, we will call SexyCam pad code with that pad code. We're going to let the number pad take precedence, the number pad keys. These are the number pad special keys. And here is what we did previously. Here's what we did in this video. And you are on this playlist. You can get the source code here. You can email me here. This has been video 132.